We are proud to present to you a wonderful product, Crystal Cell. Crystal Cell is a unique product developed by a team of scientists in the USA and Switzerland to enhance our health and wellness. Crystal Cell has been tested in terms of its potency and purity. This ensures its complete and balanced formulas for radiant skin and overall health. The essence of the goodness of Crystal Cell is pigmentation control and skin lightening effect, prevents premature aging, helps in wound healing, body rejuvenation. Crystal Cell has two core components that contribute to its properties of pigmentation control and skin lightening effect: phytoin and phytofluin. These colorless carothenoids have outstanding photoprotection capacity. By consuming Crystal Cell, our body can attain such protection. Phytoin and phytofluin have the ability to absorb light within the UVA and UVB spectrum, and this has the effect of blocking harmful free radicals from the UV rays. In the absence of the damaging factors and the presence of free radicals in our body system, the human aging process is delayed tremendously. Phytoin and phytofluin are also able to exhibit anti-inflammatory properties against wounds, thus speeding up wound healing and the restoration of acne scars. It has also been proven that it can increase the protection of DNA strands in skin cells against damage caused by the harmful environment outside. Crystal Cell enables our skin to form new skin tissues, thus speeding up the process of skin renewal. Crystal Cell is a breakthrough product developed without the presence of drugs or creams and have the following magical effects. It provides efficient whitening activity from within, promotes skin health, suitable for vegetarians, unique patented ingredient developed in the USA. Only once a day is sufficient for the radiant youthful skin you desire. The origin of stem cells, Crystal Cell. Crystal Cell is the brainchild of Dr. Fried Zuli from Switzerland and Dr. Jonathan Hull from the USA.